Hello, welcome back to my channel, Nancy's Twisted Strings. Today I wanted to show you some sewing boxes that I made out of miniature jewelry boxes. I seen it on YouTube, so I had to jump on the bandwagon and make my own to take with me whenever I wanted to do some stitching and didn't want to take a bunch of stuff. I could just throw it in this little kit and it was all contained in one place. So the ones I picked out, of course, were purple. I got two here, and I just added some lace, and some clips are up here to hold whatever I need to keep in place. And then I have a thimble. This one I had been using to work on some yo-yos. I added some cute little trim, if you can see that. Some of my favorite pretty fabric. A little pincushion. I actually made this out of a bottle cap lid. Just stitch some felt on it. That way I can just pop it in there and go. My little stitch grabber, which is actually too small for my fingers, but I just wanted to give you an idea in case anybody wanted to make one for themselves. But that's one of them that I made. This is the other one. It's a little bit bigger. I think I got these off of Amazon for like $7 maybe at the most. This one I used some cute sparkly trim that I had. I love this stuff. I always buy it and I always have a hard time finding what to use it on. Some needles, my threads, you know, just some little scraps that I take along, a doily to cut up and use. This is how I used to keep my embroidery floss. I'd cut out pieces of cracker boxes, cookie boxes, anything that had a little stiff cardboard in it, and I would cut them out trying to make something like this. Instead of buying these, I would just make a bunch of my own. It's an easy way to keep your string and see what you have, and then I would put it in a fishing lure box, like a little small flat tackle box. I'll have to show you. I have them around here somewhere. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. This is just something that you can use to throw in your bag if you're going to a doctor's appointment or something and you have all your stuff in one little spot. That way you can just open it up, do whatever you need to do, and then when it's time to go, you can just close it back up and it's all contained in there. I found this little one. This is a miniature jewelry box too. I found it at the junk store. It was like $1. So I was thinking about making a little miniature sewing kit in here too. I grabbed it because, you know, it's a shade of purple, so I thought it was cute. It was only $1. Anyway, I just thought I'd share. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.